to get knowledge about what is this kind of culture, what is this platform. Although nabanggit ni PDMJ that we already have a product, pero we're not encourage you, we're not giving you an impression here of those person that invited you. Hindi kayo binibigyan ng impression yan, na dinadala kayo dito para magbenta po ng produkto. No, that is not their intention. We are here for the following 16 years to find those really interested to join with us, to know the platform, to know the environment, to know the culture, so that they find yourself na makita mo yung sarili mong bagay ako dito. Kasi we are looking for the leaders that we're looking that really interested to join in the bandwagon of those helping people outside in terms of mission and advocacy, not only for the health purpose. Not only for the health purpose. Not only for the health purpose, but maybe a symbol of hope. No? So, let me share with you, I'm doing Riway for the following 4 years now. Let me share with you some significance of what I witnessed in Riway. That is the reason why I still embrace the vision and mission of Riway. The first one I encountered is during the time that may malaking gathering po sa Manila. And then, during that time, nung nasa Manila kami, everybody are invited together with all the Pegasuses. No? So, pasensya na po sa mga first-timer. No? If some of our speakers, particular kami, medyo hindi kayong makarelate to some of our terminologies, siguro bago, ano ba yung mga pinagsasabi ng mga speaker dito. It doesn't matter kung wala kayo naiintindihan. Gamitin nyo lang pong reference yan. And then, sooner or later, you don't need to understand the whole of what we said from beginning to end. Importante lang pipick up ka ng mga 1 or 2 words na pwede mong bakunin paglabas mo rito as part of your reflection. Na okay yung sinabi ng speaker, okay yung sinabi ni Sir Ariel. So, okay yung sinabi ni Ma'am Rosetta. So, balikan ko lang din po, medyo latangya to. So, anyway. So, balikan ko lang po yung kay Ma'am Rosetta. Why Riway? No? The important thing is, you need to find, to connect yourself. If you're decided to join in this organization, to Riway, you need to define your why. Bakit ka ba papasok dito? Bukod dun sa sinasabi ni Sir Ariel that you need to connect the platform of Riway as part of an avenue for your dreams, sa iyong mga pangarap. Pero masyado kasing malawak saka malalim. So, paano yun lang natin? Yung why Riway kasi, depende yan on your different time during the process of progression nyo rito sa Riway. Kasi maybe sa mga baguhan gusto nyo lang kumita ng extra earnings. So, pero lalalim yan later on. Pero one thing para dun sa mga interested to be part of our leadership program, as being a leader, you need to find your reason why rooted to the history of Riway. Makakatulong po yan sa inyo. Kung 16 years ago, paano ba nag-umpisa si Riway? During the 2008. At doon yung makikita yung intention ng may-ari. You need to be connected on the rooted history of Riway. Isa po yan. Pangalawa po, kung nakikita niyo po yung symbol na to, particular for those our first-timer, this is the core moral values of the company. This is the reason why we are very successful for the following 16 years. Kasi we are guided by our core values. So, we're not here for you to encourage to earn money. Hindi po. So, we are here to develop people so that people will build the business. So, that's the principle behind that, no? So, yan yung isang reason, no? So, kanina binahagi rin ni Sir Ariel, from the why, from Ma'am Rosette Why Riway to Sir Ariel na system, dagdagan ko lang din po. Try to imagine, system is like a black box. Hindi po itim, bloke ng box. Pag yung harina, itlog, asukal, at asin, pag idinaan ko sa black box, paglabas niya, ano magiging itsura niya?
Tinapay.
Tinapay. So, that is a simple illustration of that is a raw materials that if we put into black box, paglabas doon sa black box, that is a result, and that is a bread. So, in the Reways platform, in the Reways system, sinasabi sa atin ni Sir Ariel, if we trust enough, it doesn't matter kung grade 3 lang ang natapos mo, grade 6 lang ang natapos mo. Kasi we have one person here, dating pedicab driver lang. But because he trusted enough to enter into the black box of Reway, to the Reway system, after a few months, he became a different person. He attained in a very short period of time of 2 months to become a diamond 1 star. Wala lang yung tao ngayon dito kasi Deus ang pagat. Makikita nyo, wala kang mababanaag sa kanya bilang isang dating pedicab driver. Andito ba yung construction worker natin na nagtitinda lang ng saging before? Wala. And we need to create the story of those person in the northern Luzon areas. Ano yung magiging istorya ng buhay mo? Na pag pinagkatiwalaan mo yung sarili mong pumasok sa system ng Reway, bigyan ka ng edukasyon ng Reway, and you discover the best version of yourself, I'll tell you, maybe your life can be a reflection, can be a hope to others. And we are waiting for your story. And we are waiting for your story that you need to stand here so that someday, kami naman po yung papalakpak sa inyo. So, ang naibigay pong topic sa akin, papunta kami rito 45 minutes from pinakapat ko na lang kung ano lang po yung sumasasaging sa puso ko eh. So, kasi we already discussed the why Reway and the system of Reway. And now, how we build a team. No? So, building a team, kasi if we discuss based on the system course, kasi meron pong kurso at pag-aaral sa Reway, no? 12 pong topic yan. And one of the topic that they discussed by Sir Ariel is the system, no? And then why Reway nandun din po. And then yung discussion ko sa team, how to build a team, medyo doon sa discussion sa system course, may kalaliman, no? Pero to guide lang for those person that presently
Mainit eh.
Ganun din ako.
that presently start building their team. Meron po ba rito? Mga distributor na meron ng at least 2 distributor under their line? Meron na kayo? Okay, sige. To review lang. The first part, ito lang share ko lang yung ginagawa namin within our team, no? Lahat naman kasi tayo nagsimula as part of the prospect list by others, no? Ako ay part ako ng prospect list ni Sir Joel. Kaya among the 100 siguro, isa ako sa mga tumugon sa kanya bilang prospect list. So, in the immersion stage, you need to make a prospect list. Ang hirap po, kasi pag pinagawa sa inyo yan ng inyong sponsor, pag sinabi, sa ulan ko na yan, huwag kang mag-alala. So, no, you need to write it down. And then, you don't need to bring naman number of people. Ibig sabihin, you don't need to find best people in this kind of invitation. What we need is the right person. The right person that you feel that they can cooperate with you and they are willing to follow. So that's the number one, no? In terms of if you find those target prospective leader from your prospect list. So you need at least mga 50 to 100. And then from that prospect list, and then if there are, ganito po yan, no? If you're going outside, you contact your own OPP or presentation. Huwag nyo lang kumpletohin. Your intention if you're going outside is just to build curiosity. And ang magiging dulo ng inyong presentation is to bring people inside the Riway. That's the important thing. Kasi hayaan natin yung mga tao na sila mismo makapag-observe what is the environment is all about. It's okay kung medyo nakukulture shock sila, katulad din natin nung tayo first timer. Bakit sabi nga ni Sir Ariel, ba't mga mukhang mafia? So, hayaan natin sila makapag-observe. So, kasi kung paano tayo dumaan sa ganong process of thinking and observation and reflection, bigyan natin sila ng pagkakataon. So, just bring people inside. Huwag ka na masyadong magaling sa labas. So, ang importante, you build a curiosity so that people are going inside. Pag kasi nandirito na sila, hayaan natin yung mga business development ang gumanap sa trabaho nila, dun sa mga guests natin. Pag umupo dyan, may magpipresent, hindi ikaw, yung presenter. May magti-testimony, hindi ikaw, meron. May mag-closing, meron. Ikaw ba yung magpapakain? Hindi. Siguraduhin mo lang 6 o'clock nandirito. Kasi, papakainin pa ng Riway. Hindi pa kayo natutuwa niyan? Ganun lang kadali yung trabaho natin. Just bring people inside. And then, the second one is the integration. Ibig sabihin, if there are those people, your first two leaders or distributor, it doesn't matter if they are user, try to influence them to attend all kinds of events in Riway. Palalimin mo sila sa mga pwede nilang pagdaan ng observation. And then bantayan mo yung the way they ask question. So, turuan mo naman ako ng ano, paano ko ba makukuha ng libre yung product? So, you teach them. Paano ba yung dashboard? Paano ba yung pag-opening? Paano ba yung pag-navigate niyan? So, ibig sabihin, these are the indicators that this will be your partner leader along the way. So, unti-unti, nagsasalit ka na ng mga impormasyon sa kanya as being part of your team leader. So, nandun ka na sa immersion integration, and then pangatlo, yung build your relationship. Ibig sabihin, hindi mo lang siya business partner. Alamin mo kung ano yung kanyang sitwasyon sa pamumuhay. Kasi dapat ang commitment, pakita mo sa kanya that if you are willing to decide doing Riway, let's do this as a partner. Pero dapat long term. Kasi minsan, meron akong, noong nag-uumpisa ako, sabi sa akin ng isa kong bagong distributor, sabi niya sa akin, Sir Rad, sabi niya, alam mo, gagawin ko yung Riway for the following 6 months. Pero within 6 months, pag wala nangyari sa akin, magkukwit na ako. Eh, sabi ko sa kanya, hindi ka pa nga nag-uumpisa, nakaplano na yung pag-quit mo. So, huwag ka na mag-uumpisa. so binago ko lang yung mindset niya. Sabi ko sa kanya, if you want to get the result, sabi ko, you need to find your way na makita mo yung adjustment. Kasi lahat naman tayo pare-pares, I do believe that we already had a different background as a leader. From our church, from our job, from our organization, from our family. We have different kind of experiences in terms of leadership. No? Pero kasi sa Riway, patutungtungin niya tayo sa isang pananaw at sa isang pag-unawa based sa core moral values. So, para ano tayo, yung ating behavior sa kayong attitude, makikita niyo, maobserbahan niyo, lalo na sa mga successful person, they are so humble. Hindi lang yan. Sino yung mga naka-attend na ng mga international event dito? Ayun, marami-rami. So, ano lang po, trivia lang. No? Napansin niyo ba, during our international events, kung usually ang facilitator dyan is the big boss. No? So, sinasabi ni big boss na napansin niyo ba sinasabi ng facilitator, can we acknowledge the presence of Malaysia, of Thailand, of Japan, of Philippines? No. We are gathered in the international event of Riway as one community, as one identity, and that is Riway. And that is the representation of what we were, the symbol of core moral values. And this is the common denominator of all. It doesn't matter if you are brown, black, white. So, we are there. And I think for the following, going 17 years of Riway, this is one of the indicators why Riway are very successful. Because we are nakatungtong po lahat kami dyan sa core moral values na yan. Alam niyo sa mga Diamond 3-star, mga star meeting namin, makakaranas kami mawalan ng cellphone. Yung cellphone mo, maiwan mo dyan. Kahit after 1 hour, balikan mo, andyan lang. That is the behavior of Riway. So, hindi kanya pag-intention ng nakawan. For those really mature leaders. So, immersion, integration, building relationship. Building relationship po, hindi lang yun sa forma ng pakikipag-communicate ka kasi ano tayo, partner tayo. No? You need to know them. You need to find ways na makilala mo yung pamilya nila. And you need to be bond with them, with their family. Kung kinakailangan makikain ka, eat with them, laugh with them. In the moments of sadness, share tears with them. That's the kind of, if you invest that kind of level of building a relationship, I'll tell you, ano man yung pagdaanan ng mga struggle ng bawat isa sa kanyang grupo, these leaders of yours, whatever happened, they will embrace you, they will follow you, because you invest in a building relationship with them. Again, can we give a round of applause to that? So, and then, once the relationship already built, goal setting is follow eh. Basta, ang importante kasi, halimbawa kung nakasakay kayo sa bangka, try to imagine that you're grouped into one boat at may sagwan at pare-parehas ang inyong sequence. Mabilis ang magiging pakulan yung sinasakyan. No? Kasi kung merong yung tatlo, yung pagpalagay mo kung 10 yun, kung yung 4 ay sumasagwa ng mabilisan, tapos yung 2 mabagal. So, there's something happening within the momentum of the group, no? So, we need to identify, ang tawag namin dyan, identification of the weakest link. Kasi yung mga weakest link, either itinatabi muna namin para hindi makahawa dun sa mga strong link. So, pero hindi naman namin ibig sabihin na itinatakoy na namin yung weak link. So, panibagong ano yun, panibagong proseso ng pagsasanay at pagpupulma. So, ganun po yun. Tapos, goal setting. And then, the last one is the duplication. Duplication can happen if the leaders show a way to follow. No? Because, yung leeway po, yung leadership style niya, from the big boss, top leaders meet, yung isa lang po yung oxygen line that is integrated to overall direction of the Leeway company. Kaya nga dito, hindi po pwedeng dalhin mo yung sarili mong husay, galing, tapos, ay, leadership training seminar na naman. Eh, nga namin maintindihan yun. Ako na lang magtitrain sa grupo ko. Magaling pa ako dun sa mga speaker. Alam niyo yung mga ganong grupo, they already got in Leeway because they follow their own husay at galing at sariling sistema. What we on, ang kailangan lang po talaga natin dito is to understand what do we mean by follow the system. At yan po ay maunawaan nyo. For those first time, for those leaders that already wants to be part in the leadership function of Leeway, i-assure nyo lang that you are connected of what we call the oxygen line in your leadership. So, halimbawa, may plan activities are connected of what are the plan activities of my sponsor. So, ganun din po sa lineup namin. No? So, that's the part of our, what we call the oxygen line connection. No? So, kasi dito, you cannot doing this alone. I tell you, if you depend in your own husay at galing, you feel later on will be isolated on the process. You need to find your ways on how you can connect on the overall goal setting direction of the company. So, maybe with all that, so marami pong salamat sa inyong pakikinig. I hope may nai-contribute ako kahit pa paano. It doesn't matter kung wala po kayo naiintindihan. No? What I mean, just pick up a little something. Kung hindi man isang sentences,